Conway Packing Services is part of the Conway Group that's made up of 3 major companies. So we have packing, we have essential freight services and alchemy dismantling services. Conway Packing Services was established in 1991. We have offices in Tipton and Albury in the West Midlands, but we work worldwide with global companies.
I saw a need to develop our systems, and I recognised the fact Birmingham City University offers a knowledge transfer partnership. After reaching out to the knowledge transfer team, we got the team into the business. We then developed a system that would change the way that we work at Conway Packing Services.
I was brought in as a KTP associate to help deliver a project modernising our IT systems. The first phase of the project was to interview, workshop and map out business processes. Our first stage was to introduce a combined database. This first reduced the amount of data admin required. From this, we identified while we were improving the company processes from sales to end, manufacturing and in particular how individuals were working on jobs and what individuals were working on which jobs was a very ripe and data-rich process.
The KTP project has exceeded expectations. It has delivered magnificent change to the way we work and has also changed our thought processes.
The academics at BCU were great at helping us with this. They first of all provided me with a sounding board. They also helped approach staff and provide some sound reasoning for changes. Nothing was done without consultation. We kept the staff constantly involved in the project. Regular meetings, regular catch-ups and regular demonstrations were key to delivering our change. So once our systems were unified and working as we designed, our next stage was to identify how can we make data real-time. We first of all introduced the kiosk, and all the kiosk was a simple machine which recorded who was working on what job and what time did they start. We then passed this information onto dashboards scattered around our production area. We also introduced dashboards for purchasing, sales and invoicing. What this means is we have a small computer on the factory floor with a touch screen which can collect information and pass it straight through to our unified database.
The project has revolutionised the way we work. We were a traditional manufacturing business, but since the KTP project we've been able to bring in all this technological change and improve the way we work.
Directors are more informed about what's going on with the company because the data is actually there, where before we didn't really have as much data as what we've got now. If they want to know something different, at a touch of a button, that report can be pulled off for them and they know exactly what facts that they require.
Before the kiosks, all labour hours were recorded manually on a piece of paper. This was then passed to the costing department, and this could take up to 3-4 weeks to get up there. With the kiosks, this is now done in real time. With a new system, this process takes less than days. Everyone's instantly aware of what they need to do. Overall, this has allowed the company to offer a faster, swifter, more agile service to our clients. The great news is, post-completion of our KTP, we've won a number of new accounts. As customers come visit our site for the first time, they're seeing our dashboards, they're seeing our kiosks, they're seeing our processes, and they're impressed. Nobody else in our industry is doing what we do, and this is filling them full of confidence.
This has improved the way we work, it has improved the manageability of everything, and also increased our profits and efficiency.
So due to the dashboards, companies coming in, these corporate businesses, we've actually been awarded 2 big contracts at least £2 million a piece.
I've seen that the staff that we work with are a lot happier in the work they do. We've made everything a lot quicker for them, a lot easier for them by refining the processes.
So as a BCU graduate recruited for this KTP, the learning and development budget has greatly helped me. I'm now full-time employee of Conway Packing Services. I'm helping to deliver the legacy of our project.